So for using concrete as a construction material, the American Concrete Institute, or ACI, offers bridge engineers a set of standards in the analysis and design of reinforced concrete structures. So the governing organization that is usually being referred to whenever we use concrete as our construction material is the American Concrete Institute, or ACI. So they provide us a knowledge about concrete. So they offer a set of standards in the analysis and design of reinforced concrete structures. So the organization itself, the ACI, specializes on concrete. So they are conducting their own research and development to further improve our knowledge about the behavior of concrete materials. The principal design manual is building code requirements for structural concrete and commentary, which is this. So I usually show the ACI 318M-14 because again, this is the reference edition of our local code, which is the NSCP 2015. So if you will try to look the chapter 4 concrete or structural concrete of our NSCP 2015, it was actually referred to ACI 318M-14. The edition of ACI 318 uh, that was published around 2014. So this is the edition that was referred to by our local code, NSCP 2015, Chapter 4, Structural Concrete. The ACI Detailing Manual is another important publication that provides the designer with guidelines on how to detail concrete structures and elements. So this is the ACI Detailing Manual. Again, this is being published by American Concrete Institute, or ACI. This is actually the latest version or latest edition of the ACI Detailing Manual. So you can grab a copy of this from the website of the American Concrete Institute. So this particular manual is usually being referred to if you want to know or have a knowledge on how to detail the different concrete structures and elements. So the ACI 318M-14 is being referred to most of the time whenever we want to have a general knowledge or specific knowledge about concrete itself. Although covered by ACI, pre-stress and precast concrete structures are also covered by the Precast Pre-Stressed Concrete Institute, or PCI, that publishes the PCI Design Handbook, which is this. So as I mentioned before, although ACI specializes on concrete material, the pre-stress or precast concrete structures, although covered already on the ACI or the ACI codes, there is actually another organization, which is the Precast Pre-Stressed Concrete Institute, or PCI, that specializes on precast and pre-stressed concrete structures. So this organization publishes the PCI Design Handbook that we can refer to whenever we design or construct precast or pre-stressed concrete structures. So these are the different referral codes or design standards that we can refer to whenever we use concrete. So the main governing organization is the American Concrete Institute, or ACI, that publishes the building code requirements for structural concrete and commentary, as well as the ACI detailing manual. So if you want to have a general specification about the use of concrete, you can refer to building code requirements for structural concrete. And if you want to have a knowledge, or if you want to be familiar on how to detail concrete structures and elements, you can refer to ACI detailing manual. And again, although again already covered in ACI although pre-stress or precast concretes are already covered by the ACI organization, again, there is another organization, which is the Precast Pre-Stress Concrete Institute, or PCI, that publishes PCI Design Handbook that we can refer to whenever we are concerned with precast and pre-stress concretes. So those are the different material-related design codes whenever we use concrete as our construction material.